I'm sorry I'm late, Tim. I had to go to the police station about Kylie and Jason.
Not now, Sean. We need to go in 5 minutes.
What's the matter with him today?
It's Ellie.
Ellie?
She's gone.
Gone?
To the States.
To the States?
She left yesterday. You see, yesterday was Ellie's birthday. Tim, Gary, Julia and I went back to my place for a birthday drink for Ellie. Ellie wasn't there, but there was a message from her on the answer phone. She said that she had a new job in San Francisco, and, well, goodbye.
What did Tim do?
He just walked out of the flat. He didn't say a word. It was all very sad and, well, embarrassing. We didn't know what to do.
No wonder he's in a bad mood.
But it's not all bad news, because Julia's my new flatmate now.
Come on, Sean. Have a good all day.
Have a nice day.
It's a lot.
Cup of tea, Mr. Drake?
No, thank you, Rebecca. I'd better be off now.
Thanks, Dad.
Don't mention it, love.
Bye.
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 Bye, Rebecca.
Welcome to Wellington Gardens.
I still can't believe it.
Why don't we have a party? A sort of welcome to Julia thing.
Oh, yes. Great idea. When?
Next Friday. We can invite some of the neighbours and everyone from work.
Everyone, even Frederick.
Don't worry, he's in South Africa for the rest of the week.
So who can we invite?
Oh, what's this?
It's an invitation to our party.
A party, eh? When is it?
It's next Friday, the 18th. Tim, here.
Great. I like parties.
We can't come.
But
We've got that programme to finish.
can't we do it another time? It's Julia's...
No!
Oh, well.
Hi, Tim. It's party time.
No, it isn't. Okay, I think we can take a look at that now. Last year, Richard Bennett gave up his job in a London bank and decided to walk to the South Pole. Why did you give up your job, Richard?
Well, I didn't like my job, and I had a lot of problems at home. I just wanted to get away from it all. I wanted to find myself, if you like.
So you left England in August. What did you do first?
I flew to Buenos Aires in Argentina. From there, I travelled to the Antarctic by boat.
When did you actually start your journey to the pole?
Well, I had to wait for a few weeks because the weather was very bad. So I didn't set off until the end of September.
Did anyone go with you?
No, I was on my own.
And did you reach the South Pole?
No, I didn't. After about 300 kilometres, I fell into a huge crevasse. You know, a big hole. About 10 metres deep.
Were you hurt?
Yes, I broke my arm. I couldn't climb out.
What did you do?
Well, fortunately, my sledge fell into the hole with me. So I had food, and I had my radio, too. And I called for help.
How long were you there before they found you?
5 days. There was a bad storm, you see. I thought it was the end. But then suddenly I heard voices and dogs. I shouted, and faces appeared above me.
What did you think about while you were in the crevasse?
I thought about my life back in England. And the funny thing was that all my problems at home and at work weren't important anymore. I just wanted to be with my family and friends again. Life's very short, you know. You have to enjoy it while you can.
Thank you very much.
Can I just look at that last part again?
I thought about my life back in England. And the funny thing was that all my problems at home and at work weren't important anymore. I just wanted to be with my family and friends again. Life's very short, you know. You have to enjoy it while you can.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, that's fine. Do you want a cup of coffee? Tim?
Sorry, what did you say?
Would you like a coffee?
No, thanks, Sean. We've got a party to go to.
Rebecca, the skirt or the trousers? I can't afford both.
I don't know. How much are they?
The skirt's £28.50. The trousers are a bit more expensive, but not much. Look. There's Gary.
Where?
There. He's going into the men's department.
Oh, I suppose he's buying some new clothes for his interview with that magazine.
Oh, yes. What did he say? The readers of Stars and Style magazine voted me the best-dressed newsreader on TV. Let's see what he's buying. Hi, Gary. What are you doing?
I'm looking for a shirt and a tie to go with my new suit.
Are they for your interview?
Oh, do you know about that?
Oh, come on, Gary. Everybody knows. You mention it at least 10 times a day.
Excuse me. Can I try these on, please?
Sure, the changing rooms are over there.
Thank you.
How many shirts are you taking?
Only the best is good enough for the best-dressed newsreader. Hi, Tim.
OK, Gary, what's in the bags?
Oh, these... Oh, it's my new suit and things for my interview about the best-dressed newsreader.
Yes, we know. Armani, eh? Bet that cost a bit.
Well, if it's good, the price doesn't matter.
Did you hear that?
Yes, he's even worse than usual.
Somebody should do something about him. When is this interview, anyway?
Straight after the 6 o'clock news.
Sean!
Gary Fenton to the studio, please. 5 minutes.
Oh, there you are, Gary. Why are you so late?
Good evening. This is Gary Fenton with the 6 o'clock news.
Gary. Your visitors.
Charlotte Mortimer from Stars and Style magazine. Pleased to meet you, Mr. Fenton. Or may I call you Gary?
Of course.
Now, can we take some photographs first? Oh, no, we always see you at your desk, Gary.
Well, I feel more comfortable here.
But I'm sure all our readers want to know if you've got any legs.
I'd really prefer to be at my desk.
Come on now, Gary, don't be shy.
All right.
What are you wearing? Well, perhaps at the desk is better.
What's happening?
The reporter's interviewing Gary.
And Gary always enjoys interviews.
Well, he isn't enjoying this one. I think we should give his trousers back now.
Why? Oh, all right.
So when did you start doing that?
Well, a couple of years ago.
Sorry to interrupt, but we found these, Gary.
Excuse me? Photograph?
Come on, Gary, cheer up. The magazine got photos of you in your new suit in the end.
But you looked so funny in those baggy old trousers.
Where did you get them anyway?
They were Sean's. Oh no. Sean.
So, what are we going to do at this school?
Tim's going to interview one of the teachers. She's won the lottery twice.
I've never won the lottery. In fact, I've never won anything.
Is everything okay?
Sure. Let's go.
Tim, are you all right?
Yes, I'm fine. I've just got stomachache, that's all.
You can't work like this. You should be at home in bed.
Look, I've never missed a day's work in my life, and I'm not going to start now. Anyway, who's going to do the interview if I'm not there?
Me?
Have you ever done an interview before?
No, I haven't. But I've watched you several times, and Sean's here. He's filmed hundreds of interviews.
No, it's okay. I can...
Ow! Give me your car keys. I'm going to take you straight to the doctor. Hi. How are you?
Hi, Julia. Did you get the interview all right?
Yes, everything was fine. But what about you?
I feel a bit sore. They took my appendix out yesterday afternoon.
I know, I came to see you, but you were asleep. I was with Rebecca.
Uh-huh. I've never been in hospital before.
How long are you going to be in here?
I can go home tomorrow, and the doctor says I can go back to work next week if I want to.
Tim, don't you ever stop.
Hi, Gary.
Tim. Hello, Julia. Appendicitis, eh? Ah, no, I suppose you can't eat anything at the moment. Julia?
No, thanks.
I've had appendicitis, you know. Have you, Julia? Very painful. Now, when did I have it? Ah, yes. I was at school. Must be, 20 years ago.
Hello, Tim. What did the doctor say?
All clear. Best thing is I can eat normally again.
Good.
Julia, I, wanted to say thank you for all your help when, you know... And, well, would you like to go out for a meal sometime? Just to, you know, say thank you.
Yes, I'd love to.
Should we try that new Italian place near the museum?
That would be nice. When?
Is this evening any good for you?
Yes, it's fine.
Great. Shall I call for you about 8?
I'm going to be in town anyway, so can we meet at the restaurant at, say, 7:30?
Okay. Tim Barnes. Hi, Pete.
This is good. I love Italian food.
Have you ever been to Italy?
I lived there for a couple of years.
Really?
It was after I left university. I worked in a travel company. You know, looking after groups of British tourists.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was great fun. I like travelling. What about you?
I've travelled around a bit. Mostly in Asia and South America. But I've never actually lived in another country. You've got some sauce on your cheek.
Have I? Where?
Hi, you two.
Hello, Gary.
Can I join you? I'm having dinner here too, but my friends aren't here yet. You've, got a bit of sauce on your cheek, Julia.
Thank you, Gary. I can do it. That was a really good meal. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, me too. Until Gary arrived.
Yes.
Well, I've got an early start tomorrow.
Yes.
So.
Yeah, good night.
Good night. See you tomorrow.
Tim?
Yes?
I can't find my keys. I think I've left them at work.
Oh. Isn't Rebecca in?
I don't know. Probably not.
Oh, dear.
Oh, hi. Hi, Tim. I heard voices. I'm just on the phone to my sister, so I'll see you in a minute.
Still locked out?
Yes.